Modul Sabah, question 131, A, from Sangeeta Lima Zamrud, A1.
Okay, so today we are going to find the equation of the straight line AB. So first of all, read the question and underline the key points. So in the diagram, P with the coordinate -4, 10, Q 0, 6 and R -2, 2 are the midpoints. Main point is midpoints of the straight lines AB, BC and AC respectively, such that ARQP form a parallelogram. So first of all, we write all of the points. So P is for -4, 10, Q is 0, 6 and R is -2 and 2. And the most key point, they told that they are Q, P and R are the midpoints. And the second point is A, R, Q, P form a parallelogram. So the main key point for parallelogram is the lines of AP, RQ are parallel and the lines of PQ and AR are parallel. So for parallel, the meaning is the lines have same gradient. Okay, so based on the question, they ask us to find the equation of the straight line AB. So for an equation, the most important point we need is first, it's the gradient, c-intercept and a point to be substitute. So the gradient equation in general is y equals to mx plus c. So based on the questions, for line AB, we only have one point, which is P, -4 and 10. But we got another information, which is AP and RQ are parallel. So the meaning of parallel is the line has the same gradient. So the first thing, we need to find the gradient of line RQ. So how to find is, we can just label it as simple. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the formula to find the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So based on the question, y2 is 2 minus 6 over x is -2 minus 0. So the gradient is 2. Okay, so we already find the gradient of line QR, which is m equals to 2. So the second thing we need to do is this, the first thing. The second thing is, for line AP, we already get the gradient, which is gradient RQ equals to gradient AP. So gradient AP equals to 2. So y equals to 2x plus c. In this case, we do know the c-intercept. So based on what I told yesterday, just now, the 3 points we need to find an equation of a straight line is the gradient, the c-intercept and a point need to be substituted to find the c-intercept. So based on the key point here, we already have one point, which is -4 and 10. So we just need to substitute into this equation to find the y-intercept. So y is 10 equals to 2 bracket -4 plus c. So 10 equals to -8 plus c. So c equals to 18. And the third step is, we already find the gradient of the equation and the c-intercept of the equation. So the final answer is of so the final answer for the equation of the straight line AB is y equals to 2x plus 18. And this is the method by using gradient. We also have a second method using the points. So first, based on the question which I told you just now, the lines of RQ and AP are parallel. So the meaning is they have the same gradient and they also have the same distance. So for example, if we draw an triangle, the distance from here, the vertical distance is 4 and the horizontal distance is 2. So if we draw a triangle here, we can write, so value is 10, so here is 10. So based on here, the distance is 4. So if 10 minus how much, we will get 4. So it can be 6. And based on our point, here is negative 4 and the distance of horizontal distance here is 2. So what point we can substitute so that this horizontal distance is 2. So based on a common knowledge, it should be negative 6. So here is negative 6 and negative 4. So the horizontal distance is 2 and here is 6 and here is 10. So the vertical distance is 4. So both of them have the same distance and same horizontal distance and same vertical distance. Okay. So now first method, we need to find the gradient of AP, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we already have 2 points, so we just need to substitute. So I choose this as x1, y1 and this is x2 and y2. So 6 minus 10 over negative 6 minus negative 4. So it's equals to negative 4 divided by negative 2 equals to 2. Okay, so we already have y equals to 2x plus c. Now we need to find the c-intercept. So we need to substitute a point to get the c-intercept, which I told you all just now. So based on here, we have 2 points and we can take any of the points. So based on me, I will take point negative 4 and 10. So when I substitute the point, 10 equals to 2 bracket negative 4 plus c, 10 equals to negative 8 plus c and c equals to 18. Do you see the difference? Both of the value of c is the same. So second is the equation of straight line AB is y equals to 2x plus 18. So we have two methods to find the equation of the straight line AB. First, we can use our parallel method, which is QR and AP. They have the same gradient, and we can substitute into the equation and find the c-intercept and get the straight line equation of line AB. Or even though we can use points by common points by using common knowledge and find the points of AP and substitute to find the gradient and to find the c-intercept. So we will get the both answers same. So we can use two of this method to find the equation of straight line AB. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, question 131A2 from Nitya 5 Some Root.
So, the question asks us to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the straight line AC, which means they ask us to find the straight line which bisects, the equation of the straight line which bisects this straight line AC. So, to find the equation of a straight line, the basic thing we need is the gradient, the y-intercept, and also we need one point. So, first of all, we need to understand the question tells that APQR forms a parallelogram, which means that the gradient of AR is parallel to the gradient of PQ, which means the gradient of AR is equals to the gradient of PQ, and the gradient of AP is equals to the gradient of RQ. So, in order to find the gradient of AC, we need to find the gradient of PQ because the gradient of PQ is parallel to the gradient of AC. So, to find the gradient of PQ, we have 2 points, which is P and Q, so we can use this point. 10 minus 6 over -4 minus 0. So, the answer would be 4 over -4, which is equals to -1. So, from here, we can understand that the gradient of this straight line is PQ. It means that the gradient of AC is also equals to -1. Okay. So, the next thing we need to find is gradient of the straight line which bisect this straight line AC. So, we should use this formula. And we know that the gradient of this straight line AC is -1, and we have to find the gradient of the line which bisects this straight line. So from here, we can find the gradient of this straight line is equals to 1. So this is the general formula of a straight line equation. So from here, we know that our gradient is 1, which means the formula looks like this. And we have already one point, which is R. So we can substitute this point into this equation in order to get the value of C. So the value of C is 4. And from here, we can obtain the equation of the perpendicular bisector of straight line AC as x plus 4.
Next, question 131B from Shivanya Lima Zamrud.
Okay, for question B, straight line AB, which is this, that is produced, intersects the perpendicular bisector of the straight line AC, this one, straight line AC, at point S. So, if you extend straight line AB to straight line AC, you will find point S. Okay, to find point S, you have to know the equation of AB and the equation of AC. So in question A1 and A2, we already find the equation of AB. which is y equals to 2x plus 8. And the equation of AC is y equals to x plus 14. So, to find the x coordinate and the y coordinate of point S, you have to relate it using simultaneous linear equation. So, keep this as equation 1 and make it this as equation 2, and we have to minus. So, you'll get 0 because y minus y is 0, 2x minus x is x plus 14. So, through this equation, you will get the value of x equals to negative 14. This is the x coordinate of point S, and substitute this value into equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. Then put the x value equals to, it's supposed to be 4. 14 plus 4. Substitute the value of x into this equation and you will get negative 10 for y coordinate. So the coordinate S, point S coordinate will be negative 14 and negative 10. That's all. Thank you.
And the last part C is from Lanjaswari 5 Zamrud.
Today I'm going to explain question 131C. So the question is, calculate the area of triangle PQR. So we know that the coordinate of P is negative 4, 10, Q is 0, 6, R is negative 2, 2. So we're going to find the area of triangle PQR, this one. So by substituting the coordinates of PQR, we can get to know the area of triangle. So 1 over 2, negative 4 times 6 plus 0 times 2 plus negative 2 times 10. Then we have to minus 10 times 0 minus 6 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 4. Then after that we will get negative 24. After we open the modulus, we'll get the answer 12 units square. So the area of triangle PQR is 12 units square. After we find the area of triangle PQR, we have to find the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle 1 is the same with area of triangle 2 because area of triangle 1 is a part of parallelogram APQR. So it has the same area with the area of triangle 2. Area of triangle 2 and area of triangle 3 is the same because P is the midpoint of AB. Area of triangle 3 and area of triangle 4 is also the same because Q is the midpoint of BC. So we have to take the area of triangle PQR, which is 12 units square, times 4 to get the area of triangle ABC. So the answer is 48 units square.